The Stupid Man and the Quilt. In a small shack on a frigid night, a poor man had only one small quilt, which was too small to cover him completely. He decided that the top part of the quilt was too short and couldn't cover his head. So, he cut some of the bottom part of the quilt off and sewed it to the top. That night, when he went to sleep, he found that the quilt was too short to cover his legs. The next morning, the poor man cut some of the top part of the quilt off and sewed it to the bottom, so it was long enough to cover his legs. That night, when he slept, he found that the quilt was too short to cover his head. And so, the next morning, he cut and sewed the quilt again. The poor man did this every day until the quilt was in shreds and could no longer be used to keep him warm. Effort that has not thought behind it is always useless.